Hey guys, today's video we are doing my everyday makeup routine. Now my everyday makeup routine for the past few months has not included foundation, which is so strange. If you would have told me maybe a year ago that I would not be using foundation, I would have looked at you crazy. But I have been loving just using concealer, and this video is in partnership with Revlon, and I'm so excited because I have been using the Revlon ColorStay Skin Awaken 5-in-1 Concealer for my everyday routine, and I'm going to show you guys how I use this concealer on an everyday basis. So if you guys want to learn how I got this makeup look, then just keep on watching. So let's get started with the makeup. I'm going to start with concealer, and I'm going to use the Revlon ColorStay Skin Awaken 5-in-1 Concealer, and this has been my go-to concealer for the past few weeks. It's a super easy applicator. All you have to do is squeeze the tube and the concealer comes out of the antibacterial sponge tip, which is amazing because it prevents bacteria buildup. I like to go directly underneath the eyes and a little bit next to my nose, and you can see how perfect this shade is for me. I use the shade 70, which is Nutmeg. I just apply underneath the eyes to really just give myself an awake look, and I like to go a little bit on the eyelids as well and a little bit around the mouth. Now this has vitamin C and caffeine to visibly awaken the skin, so it is amazing on making you just look refreshed. And that's my favorite thing about this concealer, because I don't have to wear any foundation or anything like that to give myself that refreshed look. So I'm just going to blend this in with a brush, but you can use your fingers or you can use a sponge. And you guys heard me say that this is a 5-in-1 concealer. It literally erases, perfects, brightens, hydrates, and refreshes the skin, which is hands down, this is my favorite concealer right now. And I love how it looks on the skin. It just looks so natural. It doesn't look like I have on anything. It just kind of looks like I have really good skin once I blend in the concealer. As you guys can see, it honestly looks so freaking good. And I like how you can blend this concealer in super fast. I'm already done with blending in the concealer and it looks so good. It's so lightweight to where you can just kind of whip it around and it looks really, really nice and natural. So because I'm not applying any foundation or anything, I'm just going to take whatever's left over on the brush and kind of just work it in other areas on my skin. It's really not gonna do much, but it's something I like to do. If you guys want to check out this concealer, then make sure that you check out the description box. I will have the link to this concealer. So this is the completed makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It definitely was a lot shorter than my full face tutorials because I only used concealer today. If you guys want to check out the new Revlon ColorStay Skin Awaken 5-in-1 Concealer, then make sure that you check out the description box below. Thank you guys as always so much for watching. Make sure that you subscribe before you leave, and I promise I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.